What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to prime a turbo on a Mini Cooper. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. No matter which Mini Cooper you drive, check out my Facebook group. It's called Mini Cooper DIY. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or you can just go to Facebook and type Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar. You can find it that way. Let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find where your oil feed line goes in, which is right here. I have my oil feed line covered so no dust gets in it. Just pull the little plug out. Grab a funnel. It's not going to fit, at least mine doesn't fit in the hole perfectly, but it's centered over there, and pour some oil inside of your turbo. Make sure your drain line is already hooked up. Then take your finger, put it inside the compressor wheel, and rotate the compressor to get oil onto the shaft. You should see the oil draining, so you'll know that your oil or your drain is working. And this is where you're putting your finger in. Can't really see the shaft in there, but you know, just get it in there and turn the compressor wheel. Okay, next you're going to want to open your fuse panel and find your fuel pump fuse. It's going to be the one with the fuel pump on it, right above the horn. Right there. So it's F56. It's going to be a 20 amp fuse. It's going to be this yellow fuse right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. So you want to make sure you get the right one. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall my oil feed line and my intake, and we'll go from there. Okay, now put your key in the ignition and hit the try to start your car, but it shouldn't start with no fuel. If you have fuel in the fuel rail, it might start for a second, so you might want to unplug your ignition coils, but mine isn't going to start, I don't think. Okay, so now go ahead and put your fuse back in. Your fuel pump fuse. Okay, at this point you can go ahead and start your car. It should be able to run. My car's still on jack stands, and the reason for that is because I'm going to start it. I'm not going to do it on camera, but I'm going to start it and I'm going to get under there, I'm going to look, and I'm going to make sure I don't have any oil leaks. And the reason I'm not doing it on camera is because I want to make sure I'm doing that and not worried about filming. But just make sure you don't have any leaks. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.